Want to send a photo on Instagram that can only be viewed once? In this video, I'll show you how to send a one-time view or disappearing photo on Instagram step by step. First, open the Instagram app. Tap the message icon at the bottom to open your DMs. Open any chat. This can be a one-on-one chat or a group chat. Tap the camera icon in the bottom left. Now, either take a new photo or tap the gallery icon to choose a photo from your camera roll. After selecting the photo, look at the bottom of the screen. Tap Allow Replay once. Tap it again until it changes to View Once. You can also add text, draw, or edit the photo before sending. When it says View Once, tap the Send button. The photo can now be opened only one time and will disappear after being viewed. And that's it. You've successfully sent a one-time view photo on Instagram. Like and subscribe for more. Instagram tips.